guys, what's going on? And thank you so much for stopping back by my channel. Today we're going to be taking this mirror and turning it into an antique looking floral mirror. Yes, if you guys are interested in how I did this, please continue watching. To start on this project, we're going to need to make the roses. We're going to do this by using Model Air molding clay and a putty knife. First, we're going to take out a ball of clay, and in the palm of our hands, you're going to roll it and mold it just to get it soft. After that's done, you're going to take out 7 to 12 small balls of clay, just like you see me doing here. Once you have all the balls of clay rolled out, on that very last ball, you want to get that ball, take it, roll it around in the palm of your hand, and flatten it. Once you have it flattened, you want to take the tip of it, either the left side or the right side, whichever is most comfortable to you, and you want to roll it up all the way until you get to the end. You will see how that looks here. Once you have that complete, you want to go to the next clay ball, and with your thumbs and your pointer finger, you want to flatten those just like you see here. You want to get those as flat as you possibly can without ripping the clay. You have all the clay balls flattened, this is how they will look. Now you want to start assembling the rose. Now you need to take your first petal and mold it around the center piece that you rolled up. You want to take each stem, which is the flat pieces of clay, and just mold it around, moving the petals about an inch away from the last one you placed. This will start forming the rose. Here is what it will look like once the roses are completely formed. Now once the rose is formed, you will end up with a little tail at the end. All you want to do is simply remove it with your knife. You want to make sure the bottom part is as flat as you can get it. After you've removed that tail, you just want to complete the same exact steps until you get as many roses as your project needs. Just as simple as that. So as you know, the clay balls are acting as petals. I rolled out 12 petals, but I only used 7. The more petals that you use to form the rose, the bigger it will be. And just so you know, this piece of the project takes a little bit of time. Forming the petals just the way you like them, especially if it's your first time making them handmade, it takes a little time. So just be patient and it'll all work out. So this is a mirror that I found at my local thrift store. I just simply covered the mirror part up so that I wouldn't get paint on it. And I painted the frame, the outer frame, with about 3 to 4 coats of white paint. Now, once you have allowed the paint to dry and the clay roses to dry, you want to start assembling the roses around the frame. Now, you can do this in whatever way you like. I decided to take each rose and glue it around the frame. You can another way you can do this is you can put the roses in each corner. You can put the roses on 2 corners, or you can put the roses on 1 corner. I decided to cover the frame in its entirety. Once you have glued all the roses around the frame, now you want to paint the roses. I went with a blue and I darkened the blue using a black paint, and I just painted around the roses. Now, I do wish that I had dyed the clay before I started molding them into roses. I felt like it probably would have been easier to paint the detail of the rose that way. But I do still like the way this turned out. So here's how it looks once all the roses were painted with the blue. I didn't get this on camera, but I did go in and add a little gold highlight to the tips of the roses just to make them stand out a little bit. And here is the final look. Isn't this cute? Yes, I just love the way this turned out. But I have to admit, there is an easier way to do the roses. You could just go to your local Walmart and buy the molds in the cake section for the roses. But what fun is that? You guys should really try this project. Hand make the roses. It's fun. If you like this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification button so every time I upload a video, you will be notified. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.